On there. 445 ain't trying to talk to us, man. Hello. A short video here. Okay, there's what we got going on with that. I've been mauling for a little bit, so this is just to let you know. There's my little fan kit. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So you can hear him running. Okay, here's my issue. That supply is 17 volts. It runs 17.2 at about 28 to 30 amps is all I can get out of it. Okay, that's running the Texas Star. My power max or whatever is only a 55 amp. It's running my big dog. So when I key up, running 14.7. Immediately takes a dump. Only way I can correct that is to even tune back the variable ever so slightly, which probably takes 5 watts drive out of it. See what I mean? But what that does to that is, let me turn on the 100-watt scale. Gives me a dead key. Come on. Damn thing. Dead key of about 140. Wait a minute, I'm on the 100 scale. About 25 watts. Swinging to about 70 watts. Now if I run that into this, it's happy. Anything more than that, it wants the power supply to take a dump. Even when my capacitor still takes a dump. So, low amperage here. Even though this is driving hard enough that if I had the amperage, it would be driving this one hard. But, needless to say, with what we say, 30 watts. Come on, focus. Piece of shit. 25 swinging about 60. Click it on. Oh, gotta change my to 500-watt scale. I got about 220-watt dead key. Or correction, make that 320-watt dead key. Now my boom mic's behind me, and it's directional. It's pointing away from me, so it's got its back to me, and I got my back to it. It's about 500 watts. Now down here, let me get off my reflect. There's my reflect. Put it on forward, and take her up to 300-watt scale. It's gonna bang it, bang. Okay, take the 3000. See, it's running right around 3. See, this one up here on the top's a little bit stingy when it gets way up there. Neither one of them repeat. It's I wish I had a good bird meter, but life goes on. But anywho, that ain't bad. What I say, 25 swinging 70. Gets me 750 top end, average about 500 probably.
What the heck?
What the ho? What? But alright, man. Peace. Oh, I want to do one more thing here. Let me do some thermal checking here. Just for giggles. Just for giggles. Let's see if I can do this without burning myself. There we go. Let it sit real nice and comfortable. Okay. 88 degrees on that pill. 90 on that one. 92 on that one. Let's check the sandbar. 85. Front combiner or splitter. 87. we're running pretty choochy good, man. Really, for real. Running real good. So, alright, peace, man. I'll upload this. Scorpion